minus 11 plus 6. Product is 66. Difference is minus 5. Clear? It comes outside 11 minus 6. So here 6 to 7 na? All of it clear? It comes outside minus 6 minus 7. If you observe carefully here, x is 11 is always greater na? But 6 is equal, minus 6 is equal. Always greater but sometimes equal. So your answer is x greater than or equal to y. Next one. So what are the possibilities? 6 to 6, that is x plus 6 whole square directly. Minus 6 minus 6. Next one. This 5 comes to this side, 45 now. So what are the possibilities? 15 3 plus 15 minus 3. It comes outside minus 15 by 5 is nothing but minus 3. Next minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So here y is always greater na? Y is always greater na? Minus 6 is always less than these two. So we can say confidently x less than y. Y is always greater. Y greater is nothing but x less than y. Question number is what? 163. Now see here, 3 2s are 6. So 6 1 na? 6 by 3 2. Next 1 by 3. All of it clear na? Next second one, 3 1s are 3 is nothing but 3e1 na? Plus 3 minus 1. Plus 3 comes outside. Minus 3 by 3 minus 1. Next na? 1 by 3. Now tell me, 2 is always greater na? 2 is always greater but sometimes then your answer is x greater than or equal to y. X is always greater, sometimes equal. Next one, fourth one. So cancel with 3 na? Cancel with 3. 3 12 times 3 35 times 705 na? 705. It comes outside minus 5 minus 7. Are you clear na? Next one, 4 30 times 120. 120 23 15 8 15 comes outside minus 15 by 8 comes outside minus 8 by 4. So now you can say confidently this is minus 2 and this is 3.75 like that. Definitely it is more than minus 5 minus 7 na? You can say y is always greater. Y is, then x is less than y. So minus 3.75 minus 2 both are greater than minus 5 and minus 7. You can say confidently y is greater than x. Y greater than x is nothing but x less than y. Shall I go for the next question? Next one. Tell me, 402, it comes outside minus 2 minus 4. So 2 comes to this side, 16. 16 is nothing but 4 is nothing but minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2 is nothing but minus 2. Next to minus 2. Minus 2 is always greater than minus 2 and minus 4 na? But sometimes equal na? And here y is always greater but sometimes, then your answer is x less than or equal to y. Y always greater because minus 2 is greater than minus 4 na? Next, any set questions are there? See 190 to 195. In the exam also you have to check which questions are you have to attempt first. That is very very important. The order is very very important, especially in mains exam. So 191 to 195. Now check here that given pie chart 1 gives the number of milligrams in 5 compartments, table chart 2 gives the distribution of female pilgrims. So total they given C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. Total they given male, female. So if you fill this data, the questions are very easy for you. Total, female, male. And they given, if you observe carefully here, so total number of total male plus female together is what? And total female are then total male are 700. Now see the data. So first one, tell me. So total it is what? 32% na? 32% on 1200, 10% 120, 30% 360, 2% 24, 380, 384. Females, tell me. Females 30% na? 30% on 500. If you subtract 150 from 384, remainder is 234. Now coming to here, C2, compartment 2, that is nothing but what? 16%. So 16 12 hours na? 16 12 hours 192. 192. Next here, 18%, 18 5 hours. Remainder is 102. Next C3, 8% na? 8 12 hours 96. Here 10% na? 10% is nothing but 50. The remaining is 46. Next here C4, 20% na? 20% 240. Here 22% na? 110, 22 5 hours. Remainder is 130. Next here 24% na? So 24%. 25% is nothing but 300. Subtract 1% is 12. If you subtract 12 from 300, that is 288. 288. Here how much? 20% na? 20% is nothing but 100. Remaining is. Now once you fill this table, the questions are very easy for you. See the first question. What they given? What is the ratio of the number of male pilgrims in C1? C1 male pilgrims is what? C1 and C2. C1 and C3. Male. C1 234. C3 46. Together is 280. Now to the female C2 C4. C2 female. C4 100. So together is what? 200. So which table? 40 table na? 47s are, 45s are. Your answer is option 1. Shall I go for the next question? Now the number of male pilgrims in C3 C5 together. Male C3 C5. Male C3 C5 46 188 na? So together is how much na? 230, 234. Yeah, 12 to 188, that is 200. Remainder is 34. 34 plus 200, 234. Are you clear, Nana? 234. So 234 is what percentage of the? 234 is what percentage of the total number of pilgrims in C2 and C5? Total C2 and now add 12 here, it becomes 300 na. If you add 12, remaining is 180 na. 180 plus 200, sorry, 180 plus 300, 480. In 480, 50% is? In 480, 50% is? 2? Our answer is less than 50%, very closer to 50 na. Very closer to 50, less than 50. Which option is there? 48.75. No need to solve. Are you ready? What is the difference between the total number of female pilgrims in C1, C4, C5? Female C1, C4 260, C5 360, 360. This is total 360. Now male pilgrim C2, C3, C4, C2, C3, C4 102, 188, 290, 290 plus 46, 330. Difference na? Difference is how much na? Difference. They given what na? C2, C3, C4. C2 is 102, C3 is 46, 148. 148 plus C4 na? Okay, C4. So 148 plus 130, 278. Difference is 32, 22, 60, 82. Your answer is 82. Next one. The number of female pilgrims C3, C5. Female C3, C5. So 50, 100, 150 is what percentage less than the 150 is what percent less than the number of female pilgrims in C2, C4. C2, C4, 200. So 50 is how much? 150 is how much less than 200? 50 by 1 by 4 is nothing but 25%. Your answer is 25%. Next, if the number of male pilgrims in C6 is 20% more than the number of male pilgrims in C4. C6 they are asking about C6. C6 20% more than the C4. 20% more than the C4 is how much? 130. C4 is how much? 130. 20% more is nothing but 26 more now. 26 more is nothing but 156. Number of female pilgrims is C6 is 40% more than the female pilgrims in C5. C5 female pilgrims is how much more? 40% more. 40% more is nothing but they are asking total na. So total is nothing but answer is end with 6 na. End with 6 only one option. In which compartment? Compartment or compartments? Is or are, either single or double, whatever it may be. Total number of female pilgrims is more than that of male pilgrims. If you observe carefully here, C1 and C2. C1 and C2. C1 and C2? No. C3 and C5. C3 and C5. Is it possible? No. Next C3 and C4. C3 and C4. No. Only C2. Only C2. No. Only C3. Yes. Only C3. Yes. 50 is more than 46. Only in one case. All of you clear, Nana? So only in one compartment. So females are more than males. Only in one compartment. Next. So data sufficiency questions. Yes, data sufficiency questions are very easy. No need to solve. So here our duty is whether the data is sufficient or not. How to check? No need to solve. That is the reason data sufficiency questions are very easy to attempt in the final exam, because we don't want to solve the answer. Our duty is to check whether the data is sufficient to answer the question or not. How to check? Verification is our duty, not solve. Solution is not our duty. Yes or not? So see the first question. So what is the first question? A boat can go 96 kilometers downstream. 96 kilometers downstream is downstream speed is nothing but x. 72 kilometers upstream. 72 kilometers upstream. Y in how many hours? In how many hours? 12 hours. Yes. Find the respective ratio of the time taken by the boat to go 60 kilometers upstream. 60 kilometers upstream and 56 kilometers in still water is nothing but with the help of B only. With the help of, it's not upstream, it's not downstream. Yes or not? Now first statement, a boat can go 144 kilometers downstream in 9 hours. By using this one we are going to find out downstream speed na. Yes or not? If you know downstream speed, if you substitute here, then you can get y na. Yes or no? Once you can get y, if you substitute here, then we can get so b na. Yes or not? What is how to calculate b? B is nothing but x plus y by 2. B is nothing but speed of the boat. Yes or not? X is nothing but downstream. Y is nothing but upstream. Are you clear? Statement 1 alone is sufficient to say the answer, but it's not possible to pick the option immediately. You have to check the second statement also. So forget about first statement now, and now check the only second statement. Second statement given what? A boat can go 84 kilometers upstream in 7 hours. 84 kilometers in 7 hours is nothing but 84 by 7. Then you will get upstream speed na. Once you know upstream speed, if you substitute here, then you will get x na. Once you can get x and y, you will get b na. Then once you can get b, if you substitute here, then y you have to substitute here, then you will get ratio na. Yes or not? 1 is alone sufficient, 2 is alone sufficient. Then your answer is either 1 or 2. Which option is there? Option 3. If you know the concept very clear, data sufficiency is very easy to attempt in the final exam. Don't leave the questions of data sufficiency in the final exam. All of you clear, Nana? Now see the next question. So next question, they are asking what? The ratio of the length and breadth of a cuboid is 3:2. 3:2, and its height is 7 centimeters. They given length and breadth in terms of parts and height they given in terms of direct value. What is the volume? What is the volume of the cuboid? L into B into H. Yes or not? In the given statement they given L and B in terms of parts, H they given direct value. Now see the first statement. Its total surface area is 188 square centimeters. Yes. Total surface area is nothing but 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL na? Yes or not? And we know the total parts na? That parts if you equate it to 188 then you will get 1 part value na? Once you can get 1 part value then you can find out 3 parts value, 2 parts value. Already we know H. Once we know the L and B and H, if you substitute it here then you will get L into B into H na? Yes or not? Only statement 1 is sufficient to say the answer. Only statement 1 is sufficient to say the answer. No need to verify. L 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. LB is nothing but 6x square. BH is nothing but 2 parts plus. No need to do the entire circles. All of you clear, Nana? Yes. Data is sufficient to say the answer. Are you clear, Nana? Now see the second statement. Don't, by seeing the first statement itself, don't pick the option. You have to check the second statement also. All of you clear, Nana? Second statement. It's a diagonal. What is the diagonal of a cuboid? What is the diagonal of a cuboid? L square plus B square plus H square na? Yes. That is equal to root 101 na? Root get cancelled. Then you substitute L, B in terms of parts. H you have to substitute direct value. Then you can get 1 part value or not. Once you can get 1 part value, you have to substitute 3 parts, 2 parts. Then you will get L, B. And then we know already H. If you substitute L, B, H, then you will get volume of the cuboid or not? Yes or not? And 1 alone is sufficient, 2 alone is sufficient. Your answer is either 1 or 2. Your answer is either 1 or 2. Is there option or not? Yes. See the next question. If you know the basic concept, data sufficiency is very easy for you. Now see the next question. So what is the next question? Varun traveled sometime. Varun traveled sometime. Yes, Varun traveled sometime at a constant speed, and covered a distance of 240. Constant speed, that is very, very important. So to cover 240 kilometers, what is the Varun speed? They are asking Varun's speed. They traveled how much distance? 240. Yes, distance we know in the given statement itself. Yes or not? How to find out speed? Speed is nothing but distance by time. Now we need Varun's time. If you know Varun's time, then you can get Varun's speed. In the statements, Varun's time we need to find out. So where it is that one? See the first statement. Now see the first statement, Nana. First statement is what? Not Varun. Arun. Don't confuse. Arun travel for 1 hour more than Varun. Very good. Arun is depends upon Varun. We don't know Varun. Wait. But a speed of 20 km per hour less than Varun, such that he covered only 200 kilometers. Yes. If you observe carefully here, Nana, they given times difference na. Arun taken 1 hour time na, 1 hour more than Varun na. Simply we can say like this: Varun time, Arun time. Arun taken 1 hour more na. Arun time minus Varun time is equal to 1 hour na. Yes or not? Arun time, Arun distance is what? 200 kilometers by speed. Speed we don't know. Varun distance is 240. Varun speed we don't know na. If you assume Varun speed is S, Arun speed is S minus 20, then you will get 1. Then if you solve this one, then you will get S na. Yes or not? Yes. Statement 1 alone is sufficient to say the answer. No need to solve that one. How much is S? We don't want. Yes, answer is possible. By using 1 alone, answer is possible. Yes, 1 alone is sufficient to say the answer. But don't pick the option 1 alone. You have to check second statement also. If you check second statement, now see the second statement, what they given. Just after covering 240 kilometers, Varun returned back with a speed of 40 km per hour, such that his average speed for a whole journey was 48. Yes, if you observe carefully here, the average speed we know, one side, one way speed we know. The average speed is nothing but what? 2 into S1, S2 by S1 plus S2 na. We know average speed and we know one direction speed. By using those two statements, we can find out other direction speed also na. Once you can get speed, we will get, they are asking one speed only na. Yes. Your answer is either 1 or 2. See the next statement. Next question. So question is what? What will be the population of the state in 2022? They are asking about 2022 population. If the ratio of male to female population in 2020 was 4:3. Yes, this is the given question. So our target is to find out 2022 total population. Yes, first statement. See the first statement. Population of the state in 2020 was 14,000, and the ratio of males and females in 2022 will be 5:3. Here 2022. So 2022, we don't know how much increase is there. Yes or not? That is the reason it's not possible to find out by using statement 1 alone. All of you clear, Nana? Statement 1 alone is not possible. Next, how to check statement 2 alone first. Then only how to combine. Initially, how to verify statement 1 alone or statement 2 alone. Later, if it is not possible, then only how to combine. Are you clear, Nana? Now check statement 2. Forget about statement 1. Statement 2. Male population of the state is increased by 15% every year. Nana? Okay. Male population is increases, no problem. But we don't know about female population. Na? And by using statement 1 alone, is it possible to say the answer? No. Statement 2 alone is not possible. But if we combine both, 2020, they given ratio na, 2020 is 4:3 na, this is 2020 ratio, and 2022 ratio also we know na, 5:3, all of you clear? Male they given increase na, how much percent increase is? Correspondingly how to find out female also na, once we know male or female, if we combine both, then we will get total population of 2022 or not? Yes, by using both answer can be possible. So your answer is what? So statement 1 and 2 are compulsory. 2 are together is possible to say the answer. Next. Present age of Soumya is twice as old as Ramya. Yes. Present age of Soumya. They are asking about present ages. So Soumya is depends upon Ramya. Ramya is 1 part, Soumya is 2 parts. They are asking present age of Soumya. Okay. See the first statement, Nana. The ratio of ages of Ramya and Divya after 5 years will be 7:2. Here, Ramya and Divya, but they given Soumya and Ramya. Is it possible, Nana? No. Only statement 1 is not sufficient to say the answer. Now I have to check only statement 2. Only statement 2. The ratio of the Soumya after 1 year to the age of the Divya after 3 years will be 7:1. Here they given Ramya to Soumya to Divya, but here we need Soumya to Ramya. Is it possible? No. Answer is not possible. Only 2 is not possible. Then if we combine, Nana, if we combine, Nana, Ramya to Divya 7:2 after 5 years, and here the ratio of ages of Soumya after 1 year, Divya after 3 years is 7:1. Here also ratio, na. All of you clear, Nana? Here also ratio, and here also ratio. Is it possible to find out the answer? No. So because if you, the given statement is also Soumya to Divya, answer is possible. But given statement is what? Soumya to Ramya. It's not Divya. So that is the reason answer is, so your answer is both are not sufficient to say the answer. Next, see the next questions, Nana. Ekkada unnayo chudandi manaku. Yes. See here, 185 to 199, caselet is there now. 185 to 189, caselet is there, 185 to 189. Are you ready? So, two different types of phones, smartphones and basic phones are sold by 2 different stores, X and Y in 2020 and 2021. Yes. By using this statement, yes, here 2 different types of phones are there in 2 years, 2020, 2021. So 2 types of phones are there. One it is what? Smartphone. Another one it is what? Basic phone. In smartphone is sold by X and Y. Basic phone is also sold by X and Y. So if you fill this data, then that is very easy for you. All of you clear, Nana? Smartphone sold by X and Y, and basic phone is sold by X and Y in the respective years 2020 and 2021. Are you clear, Nana? So once you fill this data, then answers are very easy for you. Now see the first statement, Nana. The ratio between the number of smartphones sold by Store X in 2020. Store X in 2020. Which phone, Nana? Smartphones. Smartphones sold by X, Store X 2020 to the basic phone sold by Store X in 2020 is what? 6 is to smartphone. Here 6 parts. Here it is 5 parts. Basic phone sold by Store X in 2020. Next, Anna. The number of basic phones sold by Store X in 2021. 2021 Store X is 120 more than the number of smartphones sold by X in 2021. X in 2021. And X in 2021, we don't know, na? Some X we are going to assume. Yes or no? Then basic phone sold it is what? Store X basic phone sold it is what? 120 more, na? 120 more is nothing but this is X plus 120, na? Are you clear, na? Next, the average number of basic phones sold by Store X and Store Y. Store X and Store Y in 2020 is 460. And this one, and this one, total it is what, Nana? 920. Total it is what? 920. Total it is what? Average is 460. Total it is what? 920, na? Into 2. Store X and Store Y. Basic phones, na? Yes, basic phones. Next, na? And the average number of basic phones sold by Store X and Store Y in 2021 was 276. These two, na? Yes or na? 276 double 552. 552. Next, na? The number of smartphones sold by X in 2020. Smartphones sold by X in 2020. This one, na? 6 parts is equal to the number of smartphones sold by Y in 2020. So Y in 2020. This one is also 6 parts. Next, na? Next statement is what? The number of smartphones sold by 2021 sold by X in 2021. X in 2021 smartphones is equal to the number of basic phones sold by Y in 2021. Now Y in 2021 is what? Y in 2021. Y in 2021 is Y in 2021 basic phones, na? This is X. This is X. This one is also X. Next, Nana. If you observe carefully here, Nana, till now, X plus 120 is nothing but 552, na? That is nothing but 2X plus 120 is equal to 552, na? So if you subtract 120 from 552, 432. 2X is equal to 432. 1X is equal to, and therefore this is 216, na? If this one is 216, this one is also. If this one is 216, this is 120 more, na? 336. Next, na? Number of basic phones sold by Store Y in 2020. In 20 is 70% of the number of smartphones sold by Store Y in 2020. Now, smartphone sold by 2020 is what? 6 parts, na? 6 parts, na? Number of basic phones sold by Store Y in 2020 is equal to the 70% of the number of smartphones sold by Store Y in 2020. 70% of 6 parts, 4.2 parts, na? 4.2 parts, na? Now see, X plus Y together is 920, na? X plus Y together is 920, na? 5 parts plus 4.2 is nothing but 9.2. 9.2 is nothing but 920. Then 4.2 is nothing but 420. 5 parts is nothing but 6 parts is nothing but 6 parts is nothing but all of it clear, na? X up to 2021 smartphone sold by Y store. We know all the data, na? So don't wait to fill this one. If it is required, then we will see. All of it clear, na? And don't. So again, how to read from first line to second line. This data is missing. We will see where is that one. Don't. Sometimes they given so missed data only. All of it clear, na? So no need to fill. Are you clear, Nana? Sometimes they given missed data only. So we'll see. If question is there, then we will see. Okay, Nana? Okay. See the first question. Are you ready? See the first question. What they given? Number of Nokia smartphones. 185, okay. What is the ratio of the number of smartphones sold by X in 2021? Nana, X in 2021, 216. 216 to the number of basic phones sold by Y in 2020. 420. Now look at here, Nana, all of you. So which table? 4 table now. 4 table possible. 452 times 4 105 times. Still I think which table? Still 3 table. 3 table. No. 4 table. No. 54 kada? Yes. 54 105. So 54 105 ante ఏ టేబుల్ లో పోతేనేనా 3 table. 318 times 3 35 times. Your answer is option 3. Next question Anna. See the next question. Number of Nokia smartphones sold by X, store X in 2021. 50% of the number of Nokia smartphones sold by store X in 2020. So 2020 we don't know na. Nokia smartphones 2020 we don't know na. 2020 Nokia smartphones we don't know. But is 2021 Nokia smartphones are what? 50% more. 50% is. Say for example, 2020 Nokia mobile phones are, wait. Now see here, 50% more na. This is, here it is 2 parts. Here it is 2 parts. Then here it is 3 parts na, 50% more na. Next, if the number of Samsung smartphones sold by store X in 2021, 16 more than the number of Nokia smartphones sold in store X. You can say confidently, so store X 2021 is some X. 16 more than now, wait, 16 more అంటున్నారుగా డైరెక్ట్ రాయొచ్చు కదా, 16 more అంటున్నారుగా డైరెక్ట్ రాయొచ్చు కదా. Samsung smartphones in store X in 2021, Samsung store 1 2021 is 16 more than the Nokia smartphone sold in the 2021. And we can say confidently Samsung minus Nokia is equal to 16. Samsung minus Nokia is equal to 16. Next Anna, then find the number of Samsung smartphones sold by the store X in 2020 and 2021 together. There are only Nokia and Samsung. Only 2 types of mobile phones are there here. Now look at here Anna, all of you. So we need 2021 2020 smartphones, Samsung smartphones total we need. So we'll see now. So first of all, store X, they're talking about only store X na. Here total mobile phones are what? This is 2020 na. 2020 na. 2020 and 2021. If you see 2021 Samsung plus Nokia. Samsung plus Nokia together is 216 na. Difference is 16 na. Difference is 16 na. Now difference 16 just remove from 216. 200 na. So Samsung minus Nokia get cancel. 2 times of Samsung is equal to 200. Remainder is Samsung is equal to 100. Samsung is equal to, ante here 2021 Samsung is 100, remaining 116 are Samsung minus Nokia. Samsung minus Nokia is equal to 16. Nokia get cancel. Then that is 232 na. Yes. Nokia is 100. Samsung is what? 16 more na. That is nothing but 116. So 2021 we know number of Samsung. How much na? 116. Now we need to find out 2020 Samsung. So 2020 Samsung is what? 2020 Samsung. The number of Nokia smartphones sold by X, store X, is in 2021 is 50% more than the Nokia smartphone sold by store X in 2020. Nana, first of all, store X in 2020, Nokia mobile phones are what? 100. In 2021, 50% more is nothing but 150. Yes or no? In 2020, Nokia mobile phones are 150. Then remaining are Samsung na? Out of 600, 150 are Nokia, the remaining 450 are Samsung. Ante 2020 Samsung phones are 450, 2021 Samsung phones are 116. 50% more na? Here it is 100, 2020. Wait, మనం reverse వచ్చేసాం. Just wait. So 2020, yes. 2020 is 2 parts. 3 is how many parts? 3 parts. Up then you will get what nana? 200 Nokia mobiles, 400 Samsung. Then together is how much nana? 5 and 6. మనం reverse లో తీసుకున్నాం nana. Number of Nokia smartphones sold by store X in 2021 is 50% of the 2020. They compared with 2020. 2020 we don't know na. 2021 is 50% more. That is nothing but 150% is nothing but 100. Then 100% is what? All of it clear na? So together is how much? 5 and 6. Next question na. Find the average of smartphones and basic phones sold by store X in 2020. Find the average of smartphones. So, and basic phones in 2020. See Rana, 2020. 2020 here, how much Rana? 600. Store X na? Here it is what? Together is? Average is nothing but 550. Next Rana. Find the difference between the number of basic phones sold by store Y in 2020. Store Y in 2020 is what? Store basic phones 420. And the number of basic phones sold by store Y in 2021. 21. Difference na? Difference is how much na? 204. Next. See the first statement. Given data, which of the following is true antunnadu? Which of the following is true? See the first statement. Any question is missing? No. Next. Which of the following statement is true? They are asking which of the following statement is true. Now look at here. Number of smartphones sold by store X in 2021 is approximately 46% of the basic phones sold by store X in 2021. Now 2021 store X is how much? 2021 store X smartphones 216. This 216 is 46% of the basic phones in store X in 2021. Store X in 2021 is what? Nana, in 336, 46% is nothing but 216. Is it possible? Almost more than 60%. Yes or no? So that is the reason first statement is false. Now, number of smartphones sold by store Y in 2020. Store Y in 2020. Smartphones, Nana, 600. Is 2 times the number of basic phones sold by Y in 2021. Y in 2021 is what? This is 2 times na? No, almost approximately 3 times. 2.5 times. Yes or no? Like that. Second statement is also false. Sum of the number of smartphones and basic phones sold by store X and store Y in 2021. Basic plus smartphone. Store X and store Y in 2021. So first of all, we don't know about this data na. Is it possible to say the answer? No. Next na. Number of basic phones sold by store Y in 2021. Store Y in 2021. Basic phones na. How much na? 216. This 216 is 108 less than the number of smartphones sold by store Y in 2020. 600. Is it possible na? No. Fourth statement is also false. Your answer is none of these. So this one is also completed. Now see the TCS question, TCS Infosys 179. Nana, no need to fill this data. Don't fill this data. Wherever it is required, then you have to fill. All of it clear, Nana? So first of all, what data they given? So the table shows the percentage of employees, HR, IT, sales out of the total employees. Nana, out of the total employees is nothing but HR, IT, sales together is 100%. 24, 30 is nothing but 54. Remaining is like that. Wherever it is required, you have to solve. All of it clear, Nana? So no need to fill immediately. So the given out of total employees. Total employees is nothing but 100%. Are you clear, Nana? If you know that logic, the questions are very easy for you. See the first question. If the ratio of total number of employees in TCS and Infosys is 15:3, 15:13. So total employees. Which one, Nana? Total employees in TCS and Infosys. TCS is 15 parts and Infosys is 13 parts. Okay. TCS, Infosys. Okay, no problem. Next, and the total number of employees in TCS is 1200 more than the number of employees in Infosys. Difference is 2 parts, na? That 2 parts is nothing but 1200, na? Each part is 600, na? Then 15 parts is 13, 7800. Then now 1200 more, na? Yes. Then what is the difference between the number of employees, number of IT employees in Infosys and TCS? IT employees, na? First of all, TCS is IT employees, 30%. 30% is nothing but 2700. In Infosys IT, 20, 44, 64. 64 is nothing but this is 36. 36% of 7000. 7000. Nana, if you observe carefully here, don't calculate. Here what is there? 8. Here what is there? 6 8s are 40, and our answer is end with 8. Yes or no? No. 36% of 78 is nothing. 36% of 7800 is nothing but it is more than 2700. 8 minus 0 is nothing but 8 only, na? Our answer is end with 8. Only one option is there, na? Are you clear, na? Otherwise, how to calculate? 36% is nothing but 10% 780, 30% is 2340, 780 into 3, 300, 3 into 700, 2100, 380 times 240, 240 plus 2100, 2340. Yes or not? Next, 6% is nothing but 6 into 78, 670 times 420, 6 8 is 48, 420 plus 48, 468. Yes or not? 468 plus 2340. That is nothing but 2808. Difference is no need to calculate. See the next question. Question number 180. See, read the question, Anna. Ratio of number of employees in IT and Infosys and Wipro. See, Nana. Ratio of number of employees of IT, Infosys and Wipro is what? Infosys, Wipro is what, Nana? 6:2. These are not total employees. Only IT. See, Nana. Infosys IT employees are how much percentage? 36%, na? Yes or not? 36%. Okay. Nana, 6 parts is 36%. 7 parts is 42%, na? Therefore, this is 42%, na? If this is 42, this is 30, na? Are you clear? Now, and the total number of employees in Infosys same as that of Wipro. Infosys to Wipro total number of employees are same. Okay. If the average total number of employees in Infosys and Wipro together is, average is 6500. Therefore, Infosys total number of employees are 6500. Wipro total number of employees also 6500. Total it is 13,000. Each one is same. Are you clear, Nana? Very good. Next, then what is the difference between the number of sales of in Wipro and Infosys? Nana, sales department, na? Here it is what? 44%. Here it is what? Both total number of employees both are same, na? Difference is nothing but only Difference 14% of 6,000. 10% is 650. 1% is 65. 2% 130. 4% is 260. 260 plus 650. 260 plus 650. 9. Your answer is 910. Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? So what they given? If each sales employees of TCS selling one share, it is what? One share for 20 rupees. And the ratio of the total number of employees in TCS and Tech Mahindra. TCS and Tech Mahindra. TCS is 3 parts. Tech Mahindra is how many parts? 4 parts. Okay. If the total amount of all the sales together in TCS is 69,000. 69. No, total it is 69,000. Per share it is 20 na. Per share is 20 na. 69,000 by 20 na. 69,000 by 20. That is nothing but how much na? 3,450. This 3,450 which company? TCS na. TCS which department? Sales. TCS sales. How much percentage na? 46 na. Therefore 46% is nothing but 3450 na. Then we can get 100% na. That 100% will be equivalent to 3 parts na. 3 parts is that much. 4 parts also it is possible to find out na. All of you clear na? Now they are asking questions what? What is the difference between the number of employees of HR in Tech Mahindra and TCS? Now see here. Tech Mahindra and TCS. Which employees? HR. TCS is how much na? 24%. First of all you have to find out 24% is how much? Yes or na? 46 how many times na? 46 how many times? 75 times na? Evaru maatladledu. 46 75 times na? Sir, how to get sir? 7500 times 7500. 50 75 times 3750. For 3750 3450 is exactly 300 less. 75 4 times 300. Yes or na? Nana 175 times and na? 7500. 50 75 times 3750. For 3750 3450 is 300 less na? 75 how many times 300? For 50 times 46 is 4 times less na? Therefore that goes 75 times na? Man em nana alochistunaru. Okay, no problem. 24 75 times na? Sarkat chestara? 20 75 times 1500, 4 75 times 300, 300 plus 1500, 1800. Nana, next one. The total we need to find out total na. Total is nothing but what na? 100%. 100% is nothing but 7,500 na. This 7,500 is 3 parts na. 7,500 is TCS employees na. TCS employees are 3 parts na. 3 parts is 7,500. 4 parts is nothing but Tech Mahindra employees na. Tech Mahindra employees are 10,000 na. 3 parts is 7,500. Exactly 2,500 times. 2,500 times 10,000. Yes or not? Now we need which employees? HR is 32% na. 32% is nothing but 3,200 na. So what is the difference between 1,800 and 3,200? ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు 1400 and see that 32 and 18 difference na. Don't see 1,800 and 3,200. See difference between 32 and 18. Are you clear na? Calculation లో కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ ఉండాలనా. పెద్దాన్ని సర్కట్ చేసాలి. మెయిన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ అసలు పొరపాటును కూడా యూజ్ అవ్వదు. ఓకేనా? సో వీ నీడ్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ యువర్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్. సో షల్ ఐ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్? So next question is what na? If the total number of employees in HR and L&T and Wipro is, if the total number of employees of HR in L&T is nothing but how much percentage? 64 ante 36 and HR in L&T and Wipro HR is how much na? Together is 2616. Okay. And the total number of employees in Wipro is 5% more than total number of employees in if L&T total number of employees are 100, then Wipro is how much, Nana? Wipro is how much, Nana? 105. Yes. Next, Nana. Then what is the sum of the number of employees of sales in Wipro and L&T? And one more statement given. The ratio of the number of employees of the IT and sales in Wipro is 7:5. Nana, 7:5 is nothing but 12 parts, na? 12 parts, na? One it is 28%, na? Remaining is 72%, na? 12 parts is nothing but 72%, na? Each part is 6%, na? 5 parts is nothing but 30%, na? We need sales only. They are asking what is the sum of the number of employees sales in Wipro and LT, na? And we need sales only, na? Sales in Wipro, sales in L&T. Yes. Now look at here, na? First statement. Coming to the first statement. Total number of employees HR in L&T. HR in L&T is how much? 36%, na? L&T 36%, na? 36% of 100. 36. Coming to Wipro. Wipro is how much percent, na? 28. 28%, na? Nana, 28% of 105. 28% of, don't calculate. 105% of 28. ఎవరు మాట్లాడలేదు అన్న. 105% of 28 na. 100% అది 28 na. 5%. 10% is 2.8. 5% is 1.4. 1.4 plus 29. This together is na. Together is how much, na? 2616, na? Together is how much? 36 to 29. 36 30. 36 30. 66. 60.6 less, na? 65 point. This value will be equivalent to 2616, na? 2616, na? Now look at it here, all of you. 65 how many times? 40 times, na? ఆలోచిస్తారేంటి నాన్న? Here 4 is there, here 6 is there, na? In 4 table 4 comes only 4 times, na? Sir, what about 0, sir? Ante decimal is there, na? Annana 65 4 times ante 2600. ఎవరు మాట్లాడలేదు. 40.4 times అంటే 16. గంట సేపు చేయకూడదు నాన్న. లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్ నాన్న. Now look at here, na? We need sales department, na? We need sales, na? Each part is what? 40. Now 100 parts is nothing but how much? Yes or na? And 4,000, na? 100 parts is nothing but. And L&T total it is what? L&T total 4,000. Therefore sales is 24%, na? 24% of 4,000. 24 fours are 960. Now coming to the Wipro is 5% more, na? 5% is the 4,200. And the Wipro total it is what? 4,000. Wipro total is 4,200. Out of 4,200 we need 30%, na? 30% is nothing but 1260, na? They are asking together, na? The sum, na? So 1260 plus 960. జాగ్రత్త లెక్కెట్టుకోండి. 2220. అది క్లియర్ నానా? కొంచెం క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ నానా చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడు మీరు 65.4 ఇక్కడే మీరు చాలా టైం తీసుకుంటారు. ఏ టేబుల్ పోతుందో 2 టేబులా 3 టేబుల్ అని ఎగ్జామ్ కూడా అయిపోయింది. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? Shall I go for the next question? Next question is what, Anna? Completed? Any other question? 180? 183. Yes. The number of employees in L&T is 50% more than the number of employees in Tech Mahindra. The number of employees in L&T is 50% more than the number of employees in, if Tech Mahindra is 100, L&T is 150. Next, Anna. And the ratio of number of male to female employees in HR in L&T and Tech Mahindra are 5:4, 5:3. Nana, L&T L&T. Which department? HR department. L&T HR department. Male to female ratio is 5:4. Male to female. Next Anna, Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra HR department only. Male to female ratio 5:3. Next to the number of female employees of HR of Tech Mahindra is what percentage of the total number of employees of the HR in L&T? Very good. No problem, Nana. First of all, L&T Tech Mahindra we assume as what? Tech Mahindra we assume as what? 100. Out of 100, we need which department? HR na? HR is nothing but how much na? 32% na? 32% of 100 is nothing but 32. 8 parts is nothing but 32 na? 8 parts is 32 na? So we need Tech Mahindra, the number of female employees HR in Tech Mahindra, we need female. 3 parts is how much na? 12 na? 3 parts is how much na? That 12 is how much percentage of what percentage of number of male employees of the L&T. L&T total is 150. We need HR na? 40, 24, 64. 64 is nothing but 36% of 150 na? 150% of 36 na? 100% 36, 50% 18 plus 36, 54 na? So 9 parts is nothing but 54 na? 9 parts is nothing but 54 na? We need 9 how many times? 9 how many times? We need male na? Male is nothing but 30 na? 12 is how much percentage of 30? 12 by 30, 10% 3, 40% 12. చూస్తున్నారు. Your answer is 40. Is there option? 40%. 3 4s are 12 అనా? మళ్ళా చూస్తున్నారు. ఇంటూ 100, 0 get cancel. అలా చేయకూడదు నానా. Shall I go for the next question? What is the ratio between the number of employees of HR and TCS and Wipro together then to that of the sales Infosys and L&T together? Here there is no any data. So answer cannot be determined. Next. Any set questions are there? Any set questions? No set questions. Only single items. Now 166 na single item. సార్ వచ్చారా? వచ్చేంత వరకు చెప్తుంటా, వచ్చినప్పుడు సిగ్నల్ ఇవ్వు. వెరీ గుడ్. చూడనా ఫాస్ట్ నానా, మీరు చాలా యాక్టివ్గా ఉండాలి ఇప్పుడు. ద కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ ద మొబైల్ ఈస్ 11,500 and the shopkeeper offers a discount of and market price of the mobile on the market price of the mobile. If the shopkeeper gets the profit of X%, the market price of the mobile is 17,250. Then find the profit on the mobile. Okay, no problem. Cost price is 11,500. Yes or not? Market price is 17,250. Profit is X%. Discount is also X%. Now they are asking how much profit you are getting. How much profit? Now if you take 10%, 10% is nothing but what? 1150 na? And here 10% is nothing but 1700 and therefore this, unit digits are not matched na? So 10% is not possible. Take 20%. 20% is nothing but 10% is 1150. 20% is 2300. Yes, option is also there na? Now take 20% here. Take 20%. 10% 1725. 20% 3450. Yes or not? 3450. Nana 3450. This is 2000. It is satisfied na? Your answer is 2300. Now if you subtract 3450 from 17,250, then you will get 13,1800. This is selling price. The difference between selling price and cost price is nothing but a profit. Yes or not? ఇంకా చూస్తున్నారు ఏంటో మీరు X మెథడ్ Y మెథడ్ అన్న సర్కస్ అవుద్ది. Are you ready? Are you ready? నేను మ్యాచ్ అవుతుందో చూసుకున్నాను, మ్యాచ్ అయింది. నానా ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ జనరల్ మెథడ్ దట్ విల్ బే సర్కస్. సర్కస్ అని చెప్తున్నా కదా, హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ పట్టుద్ది, చేద్దామా? చూడు 11,500 కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఈస్, ప్రాఫిట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్ రాస్తా చేసుకో ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత. ఎక్స్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ 11,000 దిస్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు 17,250 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ 17,000 ఇంటిపై జాగ్రత్త చేసుకున్నా, దెన్ విల్ గెట్ ఎక్స్ పర్సెంటేజ్. టేక్ ద ఈక్వేషన్. టేక్ ద ఈక్వేషన్. ఆ బాబులే, మీకు కాదు. ఆర్ క్లియర్ నానా? In order to solve this one, definitely it will take some time na. We don't want equations. Our target is we have to attack directly. Exam lo nu paddhatini follow ayinava chodu. They don't say how you are solving. Yes or not? Shall I go for the next question? Very good. That's a basic question na. See fast. Giri spends 25% monthly income on salary and insurance and 30% remaining on shopping, and the rest is divided between the education and house rent in the ratio of 3:2. If the difference between the amount spent on shopping and house rent is 690, then find the salary of Giri. Look at here. Giri's salary I assume as 100. First one it is what? 25%. 25% of 100, 25. Remaining is 75. Next how much percentage? 30% is nothing but 22.5. 22 point. Remainder is 52.5. Remainder is 52.5. This 52.5 is nothing but 5 parts na. 5 parts is 52.5 na. Then 3 parts is 5 how many times? 5 how many times? 10.5 times 3 times is 31.5. 2 parts is now if the difference between the amount spent on shopping, where it is shopping? 22.5 and house rent, where is the house rent? 20, 21 and 22.5 difference is 1.5% is nothing but. Now we need, okay, అయిపోయింది. So 1.5 how many times? 460 times. How many times? 460 times of 100. 460 times of 100. 46,000. Your answer is 46,000. 1.5 times nana. 460 1 times 460. 460 halves are 230. 230 plus 460 690. Are you clear? Are you ready for the next question? That is a simply partnership question na. Next one is simply ages question na. Tough question చేద్దాం చూడండి. 170. Are you ready? 170. See 170. సర్కస్ చేస్తారా? చేసి ఉంటారు. స్కీమ్ 1 10% సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఫర్ 2 years నా. స్కీమ్ 2 x plus 2,500 in scheme 2 na. 10% compound interest na. Yes or not? And see the here after 2 years he received the amount scheme 2 is 3085 amount, that is amount more nana. Total 3085 more na. Principal itself 2,500 extra na. Principal itself 2,500 extra na. Cut that 2,500. Remainder is 585. 580. Now see here. Second one it is compound interest na. 10% 2 years compound interest is 21% na. Now 21% of extra is how much? 2,500 na. Extra is how much? Don't see on X. See only extra. Comparatively scheme 1, scheme 2 is 2,500 extra na. So 21% of 500. 21% of 500. 525. Difference is how much? 60. Now see. Simple interest is nothing but 10%, 20% na. Yes or not? Compound interest is nothing but 20%, 21% na. 10 plus 10% of 10, 1. That is nothing but compound interest is 21 na. Simple interest is 20 na. Compound interest is 21 na. Difference is 1% na. 1% is 60, 100% is 6,000. Are you clear? If you do circus, that will be a circus. But we don't want circus. We need direct attacking. Thank you.